So I bought these underwater pool LED solar lights for the garden pond several years back, but you know, as the plants grow, you really can't see them very well. So came up with this idea. Was at Lowe's and I picked up this little $4 white feeder bucket filled with water and just plopped the light in the water. About 30 bucks at Lowe's, but I don't remember paying that much for them. Maybe like 15 or 18 bucks if I remember correctly. Just pop it in here, let the sun charge it up, good to go. Alright, just at sunset here, dusk is settled in. Pretty darn cool. Alright, hey, thanks for watching. Hopefully this will inspire you with your own do-it-yourself backyard creations. You ought to see it late at night. It really lights up the whole backyard. Alright guys, take care. Thanks for watching.